Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you an incredible trick, transforming the simple spark plug into a powerful, versatile heating tool for all sorts of DIY projects. I have a brass connector block I'm having with a few old batteries. We need to carefully extract the inner components, especially the carbon rods. Next, I'm taking the carbon rod and cleaning it meticulously. This step is crucial because removing any residue with a tissue and a knife ensures optimal conductivity for our new tool. Now, I'm going to take a closer look at the battery casing, and I'm separating the outer layer of the battery for our project. We're making the most of every bit of material. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. All the small metal pieces are going into this little glass jar. Here I have my cordless drill. It's going to help us shape our carbon rods. I'm inserting one of the clean carbon rods into the drill chuck. Now, I'll use a drill to carefully sand and sharpen the tip against this piece of sandpaper. This creates a pointed, conductive tip that's essential for precise application later on. With our carbon rods ready, I'm attaching small brass connectors to each end. I secure them tightly with a screwdriver, ensuring a robust electrical contact. Now for another key component, spark plugs. Other parts inside are excellent conductors and will be perfect for our setup. I'm attaching one of our prepared carbon rods to the metal body of the spark plug. This effectively extends our conductive tool. I'll use a screwdriver to make sure it's really tight and secure. A loose connection could cause issues. I'm repeating the process for a second spark plug, attaching another carbon rod to create a matching tool. Now it's time to add the wiring. I'm connecting a red wire to the brass connector of a spark plug. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. I'm using electrical tape to secure the red wire to the body of the spark plug. At the other end of the red wire, I will attach an alligator clip. This is the positive terminal of the device. Similarly, I repeat the process of connecting a white wire to the brass connector of a second tool and its alligator clip. Next, I'm taking this bottle of toilet cleaner. We're going to use it as an electrolyte to facilitate our electrical reaction. I'm pouring the toilet cleaner into our small glass jar, right over those metal components we saved earlier. Watch as the chemical reaction begins to activate, creating a specialized solution that's vital for our experiment. This is where the magic starts. See how the liquid is transforming? It's starting to foam up, creating a perfect consistency for our project. I've connected the red and white wires to this battery. I'm placing our wooden block with the nuts and a bearing in the center. I'll use a cotton swab to apply some of our special solution onto the nuts and the bearing. This ensures excellent conductivity and primes the area for our reaction. Watch closely as I bring the two spark plug tools into contact with the nuts and the bearing. See those sparks in the smoke? That's the concentrated energy in action. The immense heat generated instantly fuses the metal components together, essentially welding them right before your eyes. Look at that. The nuts and the bearing are now completely fused into one solid piece. This homemade tool, crafted from repurposed items, truly demonstrates how you can achieve incredible results with little creativity and basic principles. Our incredible multifunctional tool in action, showcasing how it can weld metal. This DIY device proves that with little ingenuity, you can create powerful tools from unexpected sources. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected tools you'd like to see me create. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.